Example number 7. We have these two functions, f of x equals 3x squared plus 6, g of x is equal to x cubed. So we want to find f of g of 2, and then we'll be finding g of f of x. Okay? So starting with this guy, let's rewrite it to something that makes a little bit more sense. This means we want to find f of g of 2. That's what this means right here, as we're trying to find. So if we can figure out what g of 2 is, then that means we can replace g of 2 with an actual number. So let's come over here. I like to go on the side. Oops. Let's go ahead and figure out what is this going to give us. So that's 2 cubed, which means 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. Okay? So really, we can replace this with 8. So that means f of 8. So what is f of 8? That means I come up here and I replace this all with 8. So 3 times 8 plus 6. That's 24 plus 6. Scroll down a little bit. It's going to give us 30. Okay? Now coming down here, how do we do g of f of x? So g of, and I'll do some black here, f of x. Okay. So basically, what is f of x? Well, f of x is 3x plus 6. See that right here? F of x is 3x plus 6. So that's what I'm going to replace f of x with. Okay, so I'm going to do this. G of, and then this is 3x plus 6. Do you see that here? I just replaced f of x with 3x plus 6 because those two are equivalent. They mean the exact same thing. The left side is equal to the right side. So instead of putting f of x, I'm going to write 3x plus 6. Okay. Now, what is g of 3x plus 6? What that means is whatever is inside of here, I'm going to plug it into the function g. And let's remember g, what was that? X cubed. So g of x is x cubed. So check this out. That means I'm going to replace x with x cubed. Okay, so this used to be x, but it's not x, it's 3x plus 6 cubed. See that there? 3x plus 6 cubed. Okay, are we going to multiply this out? Probably not right now. You can't do that. I mean, if you were to expand it out, 3x plus 6 times 3x plus 6 times 3x plus 6. We can most definitely do that. Next section, we actually cover multiplying binomials, monomials, trinomials. So I'll just kind of save that for that. But yeah, you can most definitely multiply it out, like using FOIL and all that kind of stuff there. But we'll just leave it at just like that.